chopping up the cut today, boys. Welcome back. Damn, this fluorescent lighting, bro, making me look like I got a pink hue or something. But let's get straight to it. You know what I'm saying? So today, the reason why I did all that nonsense, because today was a chop sesh. All right, today was it was bad. All right, so yesterday we had this humongous drop. All right. Almost 2,800 something ticks, right? Usually when we have a humongous drop, the next day, it's always got to be some kind of chop. And if it's not, well, it's another big move day, okay? And so I got on the charts, all right? And let me hop on here on the 1 hour, okay? So I got on the charts. This is the 9 a.m. candle, okay? We are market structure-wise bullish. That is what I was thinking, all right? But the thing is, look at this. We have the new day opening gap here. We have the old new week opening gap. We have another old week new week opening gap. We have a 1 hour fair value gap right here. We have the old new week opening gap right here. We have this order block right here. You know what I'm saying? We have all these things, right? All these areas of resistance and also support. And we're in the middle of the range, okay? We're in the middle of this range right here. The middle of this range right here, okay? So when we're in this type of situation, you're in a range, price is in a range, and there's all kinds of confluences everywhere. And we just had a big day yesterday. It's a chop. It's the chop. Okay, so let's hop down. So let me go down into what I was thinking, okay? So this is the 9:30 a.m. opening, all right? And so we get a big move to the upside, all right? And like I said, I told you we were bullish today, okay? And I immediately, not trying to go there. When I was on here, I was watching price, okay? Price, did the 5 minute, okay? And it went up and immediately rebalanced itself. That right there was kind of off-putting. I was like, yo, are we bearish or are we bullish? You know what I'm saying? So I was like, let's give it a little time, all right? And as time went by, boom, price made another leg higher. And it got this fair value gap right here, okay? And me personally, I was like, we're bullish then. We're bullish now, okay? And overall higher time frame was like, we're bullish, at least on the hourly. So I was like, okay, let's enter in at this fair value gap. And my first take profit, let me look at what my first take profit was. What is the good old first take profit? My first take profit was this high right here. This buy side liquidity, okay? That was my first take profit. And what I ultimately thought price was going to do was that, oh man, was this really my first take profit, Dogger? Sorry. My first take profit was actually not that. My first take profit was the this old new week opening gap. I thought my projection was actually all the way up here. Okay, so let me show you my trade. Let me go down 1 hour. So my trade was this. All right, entering on this 1 minute fair value gap. All right, my ultimate goal was a new day opening gap. Okay, and my first take profit was at the old new week opening gap. So let's just outline that out so that everyone can see. So you guys know. I'll get that out of here. So you guys know what exactly I'm talking about. Was right about right there, okay? Hey, so this was my trade, all right? Entered in that fair value gap, all right? Price, as you see, hit my first buy stop, and then I immediately put my stop loss to broke even. And after price hit the old new open gap, it went down and it got me out. It got me out right here. Actually, sorry, I didn't go full break even. I put my stop loss. Let me move this back a little bit. I put my stop loss actually at the bottom of this order block. And so I got stopped out right here for a minor loss, right? But overall, though, this was a profitable trade, and I was very happy by that, okay? And then, okay, so as we keep on watching, price went down, the deep retracement, then tried to go back up. It's failed to create a higher high, and then it broke market structure right here. It broke this lower low, and it created this fair value gap right here, okay? And I was like, okay, we are bearish now, all right? Prices try to go up. It failed, at the old new week opening gap. We're in a chop day. We're going to go bearish now. Let's go. So I went in here. I entered in at this old new day opening gap, put my stop at the order block, and I put my stop loss like somewhere down here or whatever it is, okay? Long story short, I got in, okay? And then I got Hadoukened by this humongous 2 really aggressive bullish candles that I was not expecting at all. My first take profit was going to be actually, I think it was this right here. That was going to be my first take profit. And if I remember I told myself that if price hits this right here, I'm going to break even my stop loss. And it just barely missed it and then reversed on me. So this right here, I took a loss on that trade, okay? And so after that, I'm just watching price, right? I'm just thinking like, yo, what is like, price trying to do? Like, what is going on? Like, how do we do this? What should we be thinking about and all that stuff, all right? And so let me go back to the 5 minutes so I can see a better example of what was going on. Okay. So as you can see, price went up, broke lower, chopped it up. Like, it just, if you look at the 15 minute, you can really see what I'm talking about, bro. Chopping it up, bro. It just got chopped up. And I remember I took one more trade, okay? So price, after going for the lows, okay, it took out these two lows right here, went back up and reversed. It broke the structure by taking out this high, first off, it took the sell side. Then it broke the high, which showed that we are bullish now, okay? And, this is exactly what my trade was. My trade was exactly like this. I entered in when I saw this huge run up. Okay, I was like, okay, we're bullish now. Okay, we're gonna go up to the old new day opening gap. So I entered in at this fair value gap, put my stop all the way down here. Actually, I think all the way down here, this order block, and I put my my buy side target at the new day opening gap. And as you can see, your boy got wicked. I got out on this big bearish candle right here. But, bro, I'm telling you, when I was watching price just, like, Hadouken down and not even, like, at least try to give, like, another leg up, it just kept on going down, down, down. Bro, I low-key got mad tight. I was getting very irritated. I was getting very mad because I was like, damn, bro, price just didn't even try to even do another leg up. You know what I'm saying? Because we're bullish right now. Mind you, guys, these are all fake trades. I didn't even do demo trading with it. I just put this, like, what's called this order thing right here with the orders that I wanted and stuff like that. But I got really mad at that, and I was like, all right, you know what? We are really in the chop. Let's just continue on. And I remember, at that point, it really hit me that, yo, we are chopping heavy, okay? We are chopping, okay? And I just let the market do its thing. I didn't trade anymore, actually. I just watched the market. And as you guys can see, the market went lower, took out this low, took out this higher time frame low, and then immediately went back up to take out the highs over here. So it's just constantly going back and forth, taking out buy side, sell side, buy side, sell side, and again, until eventually price revealed its hand, which was it was going lower back to the new week opening gap. Of course, though, as you can see it, though, it was really choppy, a lot of back and forth, a lot of retracements until it finally went down. But yeah, at around 11 o'clock, I had to leave the market because I had to leave stop. I couldn't watch the market anymore because I had to go to a meeting. But overall, though, today really made me realize that, yo, if we're in a chop day, and I know that we're in a chop day, I got to be really tight with my stop loss, go in with less than what I would usually go in, and also make sure that my goals are shorter than what I think they are. Because when you're in the chop, man, the chop don't go far out. It stays within its, its little safe range. Or, of course, expands out, but slowly, So that's what I remember. It's a good reminder today that, yeah, if you know it's a chop day, make sure you're going with less risk than what you usually go with. Make sure, you keep stop loss management tight, and you make sure that your goals or your buy side goals are very, very moderate. But also, though, another thing I was very happy about today was just that today I was just like, I was just trying to get into every trade that I thought was legit, and of course with like proper logic and everything, because the whole point of me doing these daily trades right now is to prepare myself to go for a funded account. It's so that I can train myself to be comfortable with going for trades that I believe in, but maybe, I'm not that great. I don't have that much confidence in, but the logic that I've seen that I have, it works. So, basically what I'm saying is that I'm trying to like break the ice, get used to going into trades, seeing how trades play out, like with the retracements that maybe push the edge of my limits of fear and doubt and stuff like that, and just believing myself in general for what my analysis is, and also just in general learning to respect market structure and what it is. And understanding how the market moves with liquidity and market structure. So yeah, this was today overall day. I would say overall, if I was real trading with like real money, I would have probably been a loss. But I'm really happy with today. I'm happy that in the end I kind of like was like, okay, I can't trade anymore. It's a chop day. Let's watch. And that also in the beginning, I went in for trades that I would say were pretty valid, as they all had reasonable logic behind it. But yeah, another learning day, another growing day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed listening to my commentary and my experience today. Trading, man, it's a long game. It takes a long time. It really challenges yourself, especially if you're an emotional person like I am. FOMO, fear, doubt, and just in general understanding of the markets and learning how to maneuver around it. Takes a lot of time. Trading is a slow game. If you say that you can get rich fast with trading, I personally would not believe it, as I've been in this game for a long time. The real way to success is consistency and taking the time and being patient. So yeah, boys, I'll see you guys later. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoyed. I'll see you later. Peace.